this is an example of a either Versatrack or one of the Lund 42 or 45 degree angle track adapter installations using our stabilizer plate and some sort of adapter for the angle. In this case, we have a Cisco 90 degree adapter that would be similar to what's used on the Tracker Versatrack system. Essentially, this bracket is attached to the backside of the gunnel, and our stabilizer plate is attached to that bracket with, in this case, I just used a couple quarter 20 bolts to attach to the Cisco 90 degree adapter. Once you do that, you have your plate attached. You attach the ram arm to the ball. In this case, we have a 9-inch plate, so we're using a 9-inch arm. So in this case, you would, when you're going to set up, snap it into the arm and tighten up the ram arm, and that's essentially it. When you're done and you want to run to the next spot, you can either fold this back, out of the water, parallel with your gunnel, swing it into the boat, however, and then just tighten this arm back up, and you can ride right like this. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us on our website, through Facebook, email sales@summitfishingequipment.com. I'm happy to help with any questions or concerns that you have.